What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So in this video, I wanted to talk about OCGN and do more of a breakdown of exactly what happened because we're seeing rapid growth here. And really, I wanted to talk about the fact that are we going to see more growth as time goes on? If I'm looking at the chart and the information here, are we going to see more growth? And I'm going to try and go through different indicators using my Webull platform, which gives me a lot of different tools and can tell me if really I can see price action in a positive direction or a negative direction. So before I get started in this, please hit that like button. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos just like this one. And make sure that you get your free stocks with Webull down below. Seriously, you can get free stocks with this platform. It's an amazing platform to use and you can get free stocks. Matter of fact, I have free stocks. Let's go up here and let's see exactly what I get here. So might as well take you through this and give you an understanding of exactly what you can get. So I have free stocks here. Let's see what we get. We have 8 chances to win different stocks. Well, first I got AT&T at $9.31. Another AT&T. Another AT&T. I got Ford, which pays a dividend, so that's good. I got AT&T. ZNGA. Haven't had that one yet. Another AT&T. And another AT&T. So it seems like they give out a lot of the same stocks. And that's basically what you can expect. You can get free stocks when you sign up. And then if you get your family members to sign up or anything like that, you can get free stocks. But that's enough of the platform. This is not a paid sponsorship or anything like that. I just love using this platform and everybody keeps asking me about it. So I wanted to talk about OCGN. A lot of people looked at this and they said, hey, can you really go through OCGN in the past? And I thought about it and I was like, looking at a 10,000 foot view, it really doesn't move, or it moves too quick for, the stock. It's basically flat at this 140 mark, $1.40, and then ended up pushing up to, that $2 mark or so. But you're seeing these quick jumps. And that's where I was like, all right, well, is this going to be something where it's just going to be an up and down? And that's it. It's going to be an increase and a decrease, a peak and a valley right away. Well, it doesn't look like it. As you go through a couple of days, it's actually passing a couple of days. I need to see how the maybe 5 days of increases go. But as I go through the actual 5 days here, if I look through 5 days, you're going to see this massive increase. And it had a good increase over Friday all the way into the after hours, pre-hours market. And then also it increased like crazy today. And I'm still recording this Monday, but I wanted to give you an update of exactly how things went, because even though it looks like we may have been down a little bit, we're up 192%. At most, I believe they were up like 200 and some odd percent. So you're up a crazy amount, up to $15 from where it closed. It closed at about that $5 mark and then opened at $9.33, which it ended up pushing up more. And I thought there was going to be a little bit of a sell-off right from the beginning, but that sell-off didn't come until it increased to $13. Then it sold off a little bit, but more people got interested. It had a lot of buying power. So this position is really going crazy, and this would be the time where you want to get back into it, because it seems like there's going to be a lot of volume, a lot of buy power that goes into this. And as you start to look at some of these trend lines here, you're going to see this ascending level of support here. Let me see this ascending level of support. And the fact that you have, let's go right here. The fact that you have the 200 EMA below the 15 moving average means that you're going to see a lot of price action, upward movement of price action. Now it is separated, but it is starting to get a little bit closer. I continue this to grow the way that it is because of all the buying power that you do have here. You look at the crazy buying power that you did have over the different price points. And yes, it even gets to a point to where the RSI tells you that it is overbought, but it comes back to earth and it ends up being a little bit overbought around that $18 mark, $18.70 mark. But this is definitely a go. I'm really excited that this went this way because there were some that didn't really go the way that I thought they were going to go. Obviously, ZOM took a jump. And that's another one that I looked at, but we're talking about OCGN. But this jumped 190%. Now, it might finish around that 190%, maybe 200% mark. But either way, you gained 100+% during the day. So if you held OCGN throughout the whole entire day, or you sold at that $18.70 mark, you made a decent profit. And I wanted to talk about that. So yeah, let me know what you think about this. Do you believe it's a long-term position? The 200 EMA tells me that it may be longer term, that it does stay up there. So we'll see how all of that goes. But that's my video, guys. I really just wanted to call this out, talk about OCGN, and see if anybody else is interested. If anybody else has any pointers on this position or wants to call out any news, feel free to do in the comment section below. If you have some good news that is related to a lot of this movement besides the buying power, then I can pin your comment down there. Let me know. Let everybody know, the community know. But that's my video. Please hit that like button. Also hit the subscribe button. Make sure you take some time to check out some of the links down below with Webull. Also my credit card links. All of that stuff helps out the channel. But I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you guys in the next video.